High-quality material brushes handles are made of sturdy plastic which are not easy to bend, and the bristles are made of flexible plastic, not too hard and not too soft, which won't scratch your skin. Convenient, durable, light and durable for long-term to use, convenient size, easy to take in store, you can put it in your travel bag or handbag. Multifunctional nail brushes. The fingernails cleaner brush is suitable for the kitchen, bathroom, garden shed sinks, which is perfect to remove dirt from hand, fingertip and foot. Nice pedicure manicured brushes can be used for men, women, toddler and kids. Multiple bright colors. Different use of different colors of the nail brush, no confusion. It is more convenient for you to remember and use the nail brush in your daily life. Buy with confidence. 4+2 pieces durable brush, economic and practical. If you ever have any issues with it, we will either replace it or issue you a full refund. Top reviews from the United States. Great little knuckle brushes. You can't beat these cute lil brushes for value. You get 4 different colored brushes for just a few bucks, and you can scatter them around your home where you'll find lots of different uses for them. A small, handled brush was also included in my order, so that goes into my car cleaning kit.